Welcome to Cal Wayne Health TV. Today, we're talking about delicious oatmeal recipes that will completely transform the way you think about oatmeal. Forget those bland, boring bowls of slop. We've got easy and tasty ideas that will fuel your health goals and have you actually excited for breakfast. But let's be honest, who wants to start their day with a depressing bowl of mush? Not in this kitchen. We're taking oatmeal from zero to hero with a few simple twists. Get ready to ditch the sugary cereals and embrace the power of oats. So put on your aprons and let's get cooking. First up, we're tackling the breakfast game changer Berry Bliss Overnight Oats. This isn't your grandma's porridge, folks. We start with good quality rolled oats. Then, creamy almond milk, chia seeds for omega-3s, and a touch of honey. Now the berries. Fresh blueberries and juicy strawberries. Gently fold them in. Finally, pop it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, a delicious, nutrient-packed breakfast awaits. Next up, we're diving into a classic for a reason, the peanut butter banana oatmeal bowl. We'll be using steel-cut oats for this one. They take a bit longer to cook, but their nutty flavor and chewy texture are worth the wait. While they simmer, let's get that natural peanut butter ready. Once the oats are cooked to perfection, slice up a ripe banana and lay those beautiful slices over the steaming oats. Now for the finishing touch, a generous dollop of that glorious peanut butter. For an extra kick, sprinkle on a dash of cinnamon. This bowl is a powerhouse of protein, healthy fats, and potassium, giving you the energy you need to tackle your day. It's like a warm hug for your taste buds. Now, for those who like to walk on the wild side, let's shake things up with savory avocado oats. We're going back to basics with rolled oats for this recipe. Cook them up according to package instructions. But here's the twist. We're swapping out the usual sweet toppings for savory sensations. First up, avocado. This creamy, nutrient-packed fruit adds a richness and depth of flavor that will blow your mind. Next, we're adding a poached egg. A perfectly poached egg adds a touch of luxury and a protein punch to our savory creation. Finally, for a touch of heat, we're sprinkling on some chili flakes. The subtle heat cuts through the richness of the avocado and adds another layer of complexity to this extraordinary breakfast bowl. Chocolate protein oatmeal. A breakfast treat that tastes like dessert but is packed with goodness. We're using rolled oats and adding a spoonful of unsweetened cocoa powder. For a protein boost, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Stir in almond milk for extra creaminess. Top with fresh raspberries and dark chocolate shavings. This bowl is a protein powerhouse, satisfying chocolate cravings without derailing your healthy eating goals. That's all, folks. Try these oatmeal recipes today and let us know your favorite in the comments. And if you want more healthy cooking ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cal Wayne Health TV for more. With a few simple tweaks and a dash of creativity, you can transform this humble ingredient into breakfast masterpieces that are both delicious and nutritious. Remember, breakfast sets the tone for your entire day, so make it a good one. Don't forget to explore the description box below for full recipes and product recommendations to make your oatmeal experience even better. Enjoy!